Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the layout of your picture or video on the Vimeo Create application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your home page and click on the Start from Scratch button at the top of the screen. After that, select the photo or video you would like to edit, and then click on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should click on the picture, and then tap on the Layout button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the scene layout, as you can see it from these options. You have 7 options, so tap on the relevant one, and here you can see how it looks like at the top of the screen. So if you select one of these, you are free to add another picture to the blank space by clicking on the plus icon, and then click on the Photos or Videos button, and you will be able to insert a new picture or video from your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.